The snow is now started. As you see, the dirt road is covered that I live on. We're expecting up to 8 inches, could be more. The dirt road's covered. We're expecting up to 8 inches. And yes, I do live out in the middle of nowhere. Odie laying down up there. Hi, Ode. As you see, snowflakes are accumulating in Dakota. What's Odie got? Get Odie. Let's get Odie. Let's get Odie. Come on. Get him. Get him, Dakota. Watch out. Get him. Get him, Dakota. Oh, get him, Dakota. Get him. Get him, Dakota. Watch out, Dakota. Watch out. Hi, Ode. Are you guys all done outside? I'm not going to play. And yes, I am in shorts. You can see the chickens. They're in the coop pen.
Always alerting. Storm Team 8. Welcome back. Thanks for starting off your Friday.
Hello, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Harry DeBoer with a look at the winter storm system that is creating deteriorating travel conditions across West Michigan. The widespread snow really coming into play here with the snowfall intensity really starting to ramp up as we head through the evening and overnight period. We'll at times have snowfall rates at a ½ inch to an inch per hour. And for such a long duration snow event, it doesn't take a long time for those snow totals to pile up in a huge hurry. We keep the snow going overnight Saturday night into early Sunday morning. By Sunday afternoon, the heaviest of the snow starts to shift out.